All right, guys, now we're going to be multiplying fractions, and this is actually a lot tougher than just adding or subtracting fractions, so follow along. So first, what we're going to do is convert these two into their decimal form. So 53, we add the dot here, 53 would be turned into 0.53 or 0.53 times, we add the dot here, move it twice, 0.05. So 0.05. And now we're going to multiply these two. So 0.53 times 0.05. So we first just ignore the decimals and just act like this is 53 times 0.5. 53 times 5. So what do? We multiply these two. 3 times 15, that's 5. We carry the 1. Now we do 5 times 5, that's 25, plus 1, 26. And that would just be 265. Now we add a 0 here because we're adding a new row. Then we do 0 times 3, which is 0, and 0 times 5, which is 0. And now we add this, so 265. And now this is important. We got to know what to do with these, where to put the decimal points. And as you can see, there's two numbers after the first decimal point, so that's 2, plus two numbers after the second decimal point, so that's 2. And then now we just add these two, so 2 plus 2 is 4, meaning we start over here, and then we're going to go 4 units to the left with our decimal point because there's a 4 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put a point here and then we add a 0 here. So our answer here would be 0.0265 or 0.0265. And now that's our decimal form. Now we're going to convert this into percent form. And to do that, like I said in our other video where we converted decimals into percents, we have to move our decimal point 2 places to the right to undo the action of turning into a decimal. So 0.0265 would turn into, after we move our decimal point 2 places to the right, 2.65%. So that would be a percent form.
All right, so in this problem, we have 63% times 47%. So what we have to do is move our decimal place over twice, move this decimal place to the left twice. We have 0.63 times 0.47. So we have 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 6, 44, right? And next we have to put our 0 because we're doing a new row. Now we have 4 times 3, which is 12. We have 4 times 6, which is 24. And then plus the 1, we have 25. So we add these together. 1, 6, 9, 2. And since we have 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right of the decimal place, we have to move this decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 0.2961 in decimal form, and in percent form, we move this over twice, and we have 29.61%. And this is our answer.